Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Today, we're diving into some of the most baffling mysteries of the natural world. From strange creatures to unexplained weather phenomena, the wonders of nature are endless and often beyond human understanding. In this video, we'll explore the mysteries that have left scientists and researchers searching for answers. Get ready to uncover the incredible and the unexplained. The Bermuda Triangle, an area between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has become infamous for unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. Some theories suggest magnetic anomalies or even supernatural forces, while others look to rough seas and storms. We'll explore the history of disappearances in this region, what could be causing them, and whether recent studies provide any new answers. Imagine seeing a glowing, floating sphere of light during a thunderstorm. This is ball lightning. Rare and unpredictable, it can last from seconds to minutes, moving erratically before vanishing. Despite many accounts, scientists still struggle to understand its cause. We'll discuss theories, from atmospheric electricity to plasma, and share some of the strangest encounters with ball lightning. The Great Blue Hole is a massive underwater sinkhole off the coast of Belize. Divers have explored its depths, revealing strange formations and evidence of ancient land shifts. But questions remain about what lies in its unexplored crevices. Is it just a geological marvel, or could it be hiding undiscovered marine life? We'll dive into the scientific studies, famous expeditions, and myths surrounding this natural wonder. In Taos, New Mexico, residents report a low-frequency hum, often heard indoors but with no identifiable source. The Taos hum has been studied, with no conclusive explanation. While some blame industrial machinery, others believe it's a geological phenomenon or even an auditory hallucination. We'll investigate the theories and similar unexplained hums reported around the world. Lake Baikal in Siberia, the world's deepest and oldest freshwater lake, sometimes displays large circular patterns on its frozen surface. Scientists believe they're caused by methane emissions, but the exact process remains unclear. We'll explore the fascinating characteristics of Lake Baikal, the theories behind these strange ice circles, and why this lake is a hotspot for unique biological and geological phenomena. The auroras, or polar lights, are mesmerizing displays of color in the night sky, seen near the Earth's poles. While they're scientifically explained as interactions between solar particles and the Earth's magnetic field, their colors, shapes, and movement are still awe-inspiring and a little mysterious. We'll discuss the different types of auroras, what causes their varied appearances, and share stories from cultures that see them as messages from other realms. In Marfa, Texas, visitors often witness mysterious, glowing orbs in the night sky. These lights have baffled scientists, with explanations ranging from atmospheric reflections to natural gases. We'll look into eyewitness accounts, scientific studies, and the cultural impact of these lights on the small town of Marfa, along with theories that try to explain this long-standing mystery. At Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, lightning storms happen almost every night, producing nearly constant flashes for hours. Known as the Catatumbo lightning, it's a natural phenomenon that's still not fully understood. What makes this area a hotspot for lightning? We'll dive into the atmospheric conditions and local legends surrounding this relentless natural light show. Morning glory clouds are long, tubular clouds that can stretch for hundreds of kilometers. They're mostly seen over northern Australia and are known to form under very specific weather conditions. We'll explore why these clouds are so rare, how they form, and the thrill-seeking glider pilots who chase them for an exhilarating ride. The Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland is a natural formation of hexagonal basalt columns. The legend says it was built by a giant, but scientists attribute it to volcanic activity. What caused such precise, geometric shapes to form? We'll uncover the science and the myths that make this site a favorite for geologists and tourists alike. Across the Namib Desert, strange, circular patches of bare ground, known as fairy circles, dot the landscape. Some say they're caused by underground termites, while others believe they're natural vegetation patterns. We'll explore the competing theories, the fascinating ecology of these circles, and why they've captured the imagination of people worldwide. Blood Falls in Antarctica is a startling sight, a crimson stream flowing from a glacier. Scientists have discovered that the red color comes from iron-rich water that oxidizes upon exposure to air, but how this phenomenon occurs in such a cold environment remains partially unknown. We'll discuss the extreme ecosystems hidden beneath the ice and what they tell us about survival in harsh conditions. Deep in the Amazon rainforest of Peru lies a river with water hot enough to cause severe burns. Known as the Boiling River, its existence challenges the norms of geothermal activity, as it's far from any volcano. We'll examine the indigenous legends surrounding it, the science behind its heated waters, and how it supports unique ecosystems that thrive in extreme temperatures. On Kokohe Beach in New Zealand, massive, perfectly round boulders are scattered along the shore. These natural formations are unlike any others, and their spherical shape has led to numerous myths and scientific curiosity. Are they fossilized dinosaur eggs, remnants of an ancient civilization, or a rare geological phenomenon? We'll explore the science behind these natural wonders and the legends that surround them. In Death Valley, California, rocks move across the desert floor, leaving long trails behind them. The phenomenon, known as sailing stones, has mystified scientists for decades. Recent research suggests a combination of ice, wind, and soil conditions, but questions still remain. We'll discuss how these stones move and why this natural mystery continues to intrigue researchers and tourists alike. In a small waterfall in New York, there's a natural, eternal flame, fueled by natural gas leaks from under the earth. Despite constantly flowing water, the flame remains lit, creating a unique spectacle. How does it stay ignited? We'll look at the natural gas source, the conditions that make it burn, and how this phenomenon has inspired local folklore. During a sunset or sunrise, a rare green flash can sometimes be seen as the sun dips below the horizon. While it's a known optical phenomenon caused by the Earth's atmosphere, the green flash remains elusive and rare to witness. We'll discuss the science behind this flash, where and when it's most likely to appear, and why it has inspired so many legends and romantic stories. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the unexplained mysteries of the natural world. Nature holds countless wonders, many of which we may never fully understand. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Earth's mysteries, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Sam Official Tech for more amazing explorations. Let us know in the comments which phenomenon amazed you the most, and stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring and questioning.